In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your lunch status in Slack. Whether you're stepping out for a quick break or enjoying a leisurely lunch, it's helpful to keep your team in the loop by setting a status that lets them know you're temporarily unavailable. Let's walk through the process of setting your lunch status on Slack, ensuring your coworkers know when you'll be back. First, open Slack on your computer or device. It could be the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Once in Slack, look for your profile icon or picture in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you several options, including setting your status. Clicking on Set a Status will open a new window where you can customize your status message. Here, you'll find several preset options like in a meeting or commuting. However, we're interested in setting a custom status for lunch. In the text box, type a message that clearly indicates you're on your lunch break, something like out for lunch or having lunch back soon. Feel free to use your own wording, but make sure it's clear for everyone who sees it. Underneath the status text box, you'll notice a small icon that looks like a calendar or an alarm clock. Clicking it allows you to specify how long you'd like your status to be visible. You can set it for 30 minutes, an hour, the rest of the day, or until you manually clear it. Selecting the right duration is important because it automatically clears your status when you're back at work, saving you the hassle of having to remember later. Don't forget to add an emoji that matches your status. Emojis can help convey your message quickly and add a personal touch. There's a dedicated lunch emoji you can use, or you can choose something that feels appropriate for your break. Once you've filled out your status message and selected your duration and emoji, click Save. Your status is now set, and your coworkers will be able to see that you're away for lunch. This simple step can improve team communication, ensuring that everyone knows your availability and when they can expect you to return. And that's it. You've successfully set your lunch status in Slack. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to change your status for other activities or breaks. Being transparent about your availability helps maintain effective communication across your team and helps everyone stay in the loop. Thanks for watching and happy lunching.